Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the right lenses: clear, undamaged polycarbonate or optical-grade plastic. These accept film well. Once chosen, clean both sides with isopropyl 70% and a microfiber cloth to remove oils and dust. This prevents bubbles. Cut a rough template from paper using the frame as a guide. Next, lay the adhesive blue blocking film on a flat surface and trim slightly larger than the template. Make sure edges will overlap the lens perimeter by about 1. Now you precisely cut the film to match the lens outline using the paper template. Hold a steady edge and trim to within 0.51 mm of the rim. Apply the wet method. Mist the cleaned lens with distilled water mixed with 1 drop of dish soap per 200 ml. This allows repositioning. Peel backing, place film onto the wet lens, and use a squeegee to push water and air from the center outward. Once aligned, make sure edges are flush. Remove excess film and dry with gentle heat. Finish by carefully trimming the excess film at the lens bevel with a precision cutter. Angle the blade shallow to avoid scratches and fit the lens into the frame. Once seated, cure the adhesive by applying low heat with a heat gun at under 60 degrees C for 1 to 2 minutes per lens. This speeds bonding and removes microbubbles. Finally, inspect for haze and test blue reduction with a phone camera or blue filter app. If you see clouding, re-clean, re-wet, and re-squeegee the film as troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.